Welcome to the second sum. Here x, y and z comes in the denominator. So in this model 1 by x minus 2 by y equal to minus 4. So first you must bring it to the standard form. Generally it is safer. Unknown letters should come in the left hand side and numbers should come in the right hand side. That is quite easier. If you are very thorough, it's okay. Otherwise, this is the method they do it. Some syllabus they do directly, but it's better to do like this. Second equation 1 by y minus 1 by z, the 1 you take that side, it will become minus 1. The last equation they are given correctly. 2 by x plus 3, 2 by z plus 3 by x equal to 14. So 1, 2, 3 we brought in the standard form. When x, y and z comes in the denominator, you put 1 by x as a, 1 by y as b and 1 by z as c. Okay, so we substitute, see 1 by x we have minus 2 into 1 by y equal to minus 4. So 1 by x we are putting as a and 1 by y we are putting as b. You get a minus 2b equal to minus 4. Call this equation number 4. So you convert this equation into a, b and c. Now the second equation 1 by y we are putting as b. 1 by z we are putting as c. And then so you get b minus c equal to minus 1. Call it equation 5. The last equation 2 by z you can write as 2 into 1 by z plus 3 into 1 by x. So 2 by z is called 2c plus 3a equal to 14. So wherever 1 by y comes you put b, 1 by z you put c and 1 by x you put as a. You get 3 equation 4, 5, 6. So what you do is you write 4 and 5 first. 4 is nothing but a minus 2b equal to minus 4 and 5 is nothing but b minus c. But write the b with, you write minus c plus b. See b minus c is nothing but minus c and plus b equal to minus 1. Okay, this also thing. Then you can join with b and b. Now multiply the equation number 4 into 1. 1 means the same equation you get a minus 2b equal to minus 4. Put the same number 4. Second equation you multiply by 2. Minus 2c plus 2b equal to minus, call it equation number 7. Now you have to add. When you add, what will happen? These two will get cancelled. There are two things. One is addition and one is subtraction. Either you must add or subtraction. Add is quite easy. Subtract means you must change the sign and then cancel it. Okay. So you get a will come as it is. This a will come as it is and minus 2c. Minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. Call it equation number 8. Next you put equation number 6 here. 3a plus 2c equal to 14. This you can interchange. Okay. Now what will happen? This also you can add. When you add, what happens? C will get cancelled. A plus 3a is 4a. Minus 16 plus 14 is plus 8. So a equal to 8 by 4, which is 2. You get a as 2. So you got the one equation, one unknown letter. Next, substituting a equal to equation number 4. Where is equation 4? Here is equation 4. You write a minus 2b equal to minus 4. A you put as 2. That's why you put an arrow. Minus 2b is minus 4. Take the 2, that's it. Remember it's plus 2, it will become minus 2. So minus 2b equal to minus 4 minus 2. Minus 2b is minus 6. B equal to 3. So you got the value of a and b. And then last you must get the value of c. So b minus c equal to minus 1. Substitute in equation number 5. Where is 5? See, this is number 5. You can substitute in this equation. So b minus c equal to minus 1. So b you put as 3. We put an arrow. Minus c is minus 1. Take the 3 that side. It will become minus 3. Plus 3 will go that side. Minus c is minus 4. When minus comes both sides, you can make it as plus. So we get c is equal to 4. Okay. Alright. So now what you got is the thing is, but we have to find the value of x, y, and z. Now we will go to part 3. Part 3 is a very small part. We have to convert x, y, z in terms a, b, c. You must convert in terms of x, y, z. The question is given as x, y, and z. Solve. So a, b, c is not the question. Just one step you have to make it. That's a very important step. We'll do it, and checking also we'll do. So now we'll do the last part. See, we got the value of A2, B3 and C4, but the question deals with x, y and z. You can't write this answer. So you must write. So we have taken 1 by x equal to A. A is 2. 2 means 2 by 1. So 1 by x equal to 2 by 1, or make it ulta, x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Similarly, 1 by y we called as b. that is 3. 3 means 3 by 1. So 1 by y equal to 3 by 1 or y equal to 1 by 3. Similarly 1 by z is taken as c, which is 4. Or 1 by z is 4 by 1, z equal to 1 by 4. The solution set is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. If you want, you can check it. It's not compulsory. If you have time, you can check it. This is not compulsory. The checking, so you just take the left hand side. The checking is not compulsory. So take the first equation 1 by x minus 2 by y. Only you must take this side. Okay. You must take it, but you must get us 1 by x minus 2 by y. The right hand side is minus 4. Don't forget that. So now what will happen? 1 by x you put as 1 by 2. And y you put as 1 by 3. And the 1 by 2 will become ulta as 2 by 1. Minus 2 into 1 by 3 will become 3 by 1. 2 by 1 is 2. 2 3s are what? 6. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. That's what here. This is the right hand side. Take the next equation 1 by y minus 1 by z. So 1 by y is 1 by 3, z is 1 by 4. So 1 by 3 will become ulta 3 by 1. And this will become inverted 4 by 1. 3 by 1 is 3. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. That's what you got here. 1 by y minus 1 by z is equal to minus 1. The last equation is 2 by z plus 3 by x. 2 by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 4 becomes 4 by 1. 3 into 2 by 1. 8 plus 6 is 14, which is right hand side. So what you got, the answer was correct. Equal to 14. The first three equation was correct. So hope you understood this one. Now the next sum, they are given 4 expressions. We have put 1, 2, 3 and 4. So all these 4 expressions are equal. X plus 20 is equal to 3y by 2 plus 10, 2z plus y equal to 110 minus y plus z. Now what you take is, take this 2 is equal to 3. These 2 you can take it. 2 is equal to 3. So that's what you wrote, 3y plus 10 equal to 2z plus y. Now bring all unknown letters to one side. So this 2z will come this side. Okay, this is called standard form. This is called standard form generally, where we bring in unknown letters y and z and numbers. So you get 3y by 2 minus 2z equal to minus y. Now this 2, to remove the 2, multiply by 2. So you have to multiply all by 2, number 1, number 2 and number 3. So 2 into 3y by 2 minus 2 into 2z equal to 2 into minus y. All you multiply by 2, the 2 will get cancelled. So when you multiply in an equation, all 3 must multiply. So you get 3y minus 2 to the 4z is equal to minus 10. Or you can write like this also, minus 4z plus 3y equal to minus 10. Both are same equation. For some convenience you are writing to put there. Now next what you do is, you put 3 is equal to 4. You put what? Equation 3 equal to equation 4. Now write 2z plus 5 equal to 110 minus y plus z. First you remove this minus into y and minus into z. You have to remove this both. So you get 110 minus y minus z. So bring all unknown letters one side. 2z, join the z with z plus y equal to 110 minus 5. 2z plus z is nothing but, you get what? 3z plus y equal to 105. Now 3. So you multiply this equation by 3. So what you got here, this you multiply by 3. 1, 2, 3. All you must multiply by 3. So 3 into 3z, this is z actually. Okay. 3 into 3z plus 3y equal to 3 into 105. So you get 9z plus 3y equal to 315, equation number 2. Why we are multiplying by 2 means to get the same 3y. Okay. Here also you got one 3y. Here also got one 3y. Now you take what? Equation 1 and 2 right here. Now both are 3y. Now you can't add. If you add 3y plus 3y will become 6y. So it won't go off. So there are only two conditions. One is addition and one is subtraction. Addition is quite easy, and subtraction you have to change the signs of the bottom one. So now what will happen? You have to subtract 1 minus 2. So we know already when you subtract, this will become minus, and this will become minus, and this will become minus. All will become minus the bottom one, and then you must cancel it. So subtraction or addition. Addition is quite easy. Subtraction you must change the signs and then add or cancel, whatever you call it. So now this will get cancelled. So minus 4z minus 9z is minus 13z, and minus 10 minus is actually minus 335. When minus comes both sides, what will happen? The minus will become plus. Both will become plus. When minus comes both sides. So 13z is 325, z equal to 325 with 13 and z is equal to 25. So you can cancel this 13. So in 32, 26 and balance what? 6. So it goes 25 times. So z equal to 25. Now what you do? Substitute the z is equal to 25 in equation number 1. You take this equation 3y minus, both are same, but this you can take it. 3y minus 4z equal to minus 10. So 3y minus 4 into z is nothing but 25. So 4 into 25 equal to minus 10. 4 25 is 100. 4 into 25 is 100. Take the 100 that side. So minus 10 plus 100 is 90. 3y equal to 90 and y equal to 90 by 3 and y is equal to 30. Now the last one is x. We will do as part 2. Now we will do the last part. We got the value of y. We got the value of z. We have to find the x. We got as part 2. Now you put 1 equal to 3. You may ask why you are putting like this. Means it's very easy. Anything you can equate it, but because we know the z value, you can equate this. So 1 equal to 3, right? So 1 is nothing but x plus 20. 3 is nothing but 2z plus 5. So x plus 20 equal to z is nothing but we got as 25 already. Z is 25. So 2 into 25 is 50 plus 5, it is 55. So x is equal to, take the 20 that side. 50 minus 20 is 35. So x is equal to 35. Therefore the solution set is 35, 30 and 25.